When we set out to create our own collision glue, we had two goals in mind. Our number one priority, make the absolute best collision glue on the planet. Dent Slayer collision glue holds stronger and longer and has everything you need to deliver world-class results on smashed panels. Our second priority, this glue had to absolutely rip for route techs in warm climates. And believe me, it does. It delivers reliable, strong pulls in the heat and keeps you very efficient out there on the streets. Part of our two glue system, whatever the weather, Dent Slayer has you covered. This two glue system was only made possible through our relationship with Anson. You can find it on their website, as well as the other major leading PDR tool companies' websites.